To make money online with InShot in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. Understand InShot. InShot is a popular video editing app for smartphones, offering features like video trimming, merging, cutting, and adding music, effects, and text to videos. Create high-quality content. To make money online, you need to create engaging and valuable content. Focus on topics that interest you and have a potential audience. Build a social media presence. Choose one or two social media platforms where you will share your content, e.g., YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. Consistently create and share content to grow your audience. Monetize your content. Once you have a decent following, you can monetize your content through various methods. A. Ads. Enable ads on your platform, e.g., YouTube monetization, and earn money from views and clicks. B. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands and create sponsored content to earn money. You can find these opportunities through social media platforms or specialized websites like Aspire IQ Influence. C. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your content and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. D. Selling your own products. If you're skilled in video editing, you can create and sell video editing courses, templates, or presets on platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, or Creative Market. E. Patreon. Set up a Patreon account to let fans support your work through monthly subscriptions. Offer exclusive content or perks to your patrons. Optimize your content for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and hashtags to increase your content's visibility on search engines like YouTube and Google. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and feedback from your viewers to build a loyal community. This will also help you understand their preferences and create more tailored content. Analyze your performance. Regularly review your analytics to see which content performs best and adjust your strategy accordingly. This will help you create more engaging content and grow your audience. Network with other creators. Collaborate with other content creators to reach new audiences and learn from their experiences. Stay updated with trends. Keep an eye on new features, tools, and trends in the video editing and social media world to stay ahead of the competition. Be consistent and patient. Growing a following and making money online takes time and effort. Stay committed to your content creation and continuously improve your skills. Remember, success may not happen overnight, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can make money online with InShot in 2024.